Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play online Animal Crossing New Horizons. First, make sure your Nintendo Switch has an active Nintendo Switch Online membership. This is essential for any online interactions. Next, confirm your console is connected to a stable internet connection. Once those are set, head over to your island's airport, Dodo Airlines, to start your online journey. It's super easy to get going. To visit a friend's island, simply speak to Orville at Dodo Airlines and select the option "I want to fly." He will then ask if you want to fly via local or online play. Choose via online play. You can either visit a friend directly from your Nintendo Switch friend list or enter a 5-character Dodo code provided by the host. It's a fun way to explore new islands. If you wish to host friends on your island, talk to Orville and choose "I want visitors." Again, select via online play to open your gates. You then have two main options: invite all my friends who are online, or generate a temporary 5-character Dodo code to share with specific players. Remember to keep an eye on your visitors and have fun together. For a smooth online experience, always be respectful of other players' islands. Ask permission before taking anything or shaking trees. Use the in-game chat or reactions to communicate effectively. When you're done hosting, make sure to properly close your gate at Dodo Airlines to ensure everyone has left safely. Enjoy your online adventures in Animal Crossing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.